Hi, I'm Allison Walther with Confluent. ksqlDB has several ways that you can interact with it, including a command line interface. If you're using CLIs from relational databases like Oracle's SQL Plus or Postgres' PSQL, you'll feel at home with this. The simplest way to interact with ksqlDB is via the Confluent Cloud UI. Here, we can experiment with queries in an interactive editor, view any streams and tables, and also manage our persistent queries. We can also use the ksqlDB CLI, which is especially useful for automation. The ksqlDB CLI will work with ksqlDB on Confluent Cloud or self-managed ksqlDB. The REST API is useful for programmatic access to ksqlDB and for scripted deployments of applications. You can call the REST API directly or take advantage of client libraries that wrap it. There's a native client for Java as part of ksqlDB and community projects providing libraries in Python and Go. That's it for the short lesson. Let's jump into an exercise to get our hands dirty with the material.